Hi everyone, welcome to my channel NanoElearn, Learning Made Easy. In this session, I am going to explain about black box testing techniques. These are the three black box testing techniques I am going to cover: equivalence class partitioning, boundary value analysis, and error guessing. The first technique is equivalence class partitioning. In this method, the input domain data is divided into different equivalence input data classes. In short, it is a process of taking all possible input test cases with input values and placing them into classes. From each class, one test value is picked up while testing. This method is typically used to reduce the total number of test cases to a finite set of testable test cases, still covering maximum requirements. For instance, if we consider an example to write test cases for an input text box accepting numbers 1 to 1000 using this technique, then one input data class with all valid inputs, that is, test cases with test data for all valid inputs. A single value is picked up from the range 1 to 1000 for testing and is treated as a valid test case. If you select any other values between 1 and 1000, the result is going to be the same. So, one test case for valid input data should be sufficient here. Test cases with input data for all values below lower limit, that is, any value below 1 as and second invalid input data test case. Test cases with input data class for all values above upper limit, that is, any value greater than 1000 as a third invalid input data test case. In the above test cases, we have one positive and two negative test cases. So, using this EP technique, in the above example, we have categorized all possible test cases into three classes, and a single value is picked up from each class for testing. Test cases with all values from any class should give you the same result. And the second technique is boundary value analysis. In short, it is abbreviated as BVA. It's widely recognized that the input values of extreme ends of input boundaries used to cause more errors in the system. That is, more application errors can occur at boundaries of input data. This BVA testing technique is used to identify errors at boundaries of input data rather than finding those edges in the center of input data range. BVA is the next part of EP technique for designing test cases, where test cases are selected at edge value of equivalence classes. For instance, if we consider the same example to write test cases for an input text box accepting numbers 1 to 1000 using BVA technique. These are the test cases below. Test cases with test data exactly as input boundaries, that is, exactly at 1 and 1000. And the second one is test cases with test data just below extreme edges of input boundaries, that is, exactly at values 0 and 999. The third category are test cases with test data just above extreme edges of input boundaries, that is, exactly at 2 and 1001. The third technique is error guessing technique. It is a technique based on guessing the errors which can prevail or occur in the code. Basically, an experience-based technique where the testers use their past experience to guess the problematic areas of the application. For example, the tester guesses that login page is more error prone, and then he writes more detailed test cases concentrating on login page. Here, the tester can think of variety combinations of input data to test the login page. It's a technique where Experienced and good testers are encouraged to think of situations where the software may fail. The success of this technique is more dependent on the skill of the tester, since experienced tester knows where the defects are most likely to be in the software application. That is why error guessing is used after more formal techniques have been applied to some extent can be very effective. In using these formal techniques, the tester gains better understanding of the system, about what it does and how it works. With this understanding, the tester is more likely to be better at guessing the ways in which the system may not work properly. Mostly, it is done by experienced testers who can use their past experience to find defects in the software. Thus, error guessing has no rules for testing, but it only uses the tester's previous skills. The more experience of the tester, the better the testing will be. This is all about all the black box testing techniques. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Have a good day.